This episode is brought to you by Store974, Qatar's only true PC gaming store. Shop now at Store974.com.
QTip time, everyone. MR.Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari here, and today we're going to be talking about 5 weird Arabic sounds that might not make sense or use in any language, but they make a lot of sense to us.
What did he say?
I have no idea.
It's gibberish.
The first sound or word is Afaa. Now this sound or word is used to express disappointment, and it actually changes in strength depending on the way that you say Afaa. If somebody uses a more gentle Afaa like Afaa, it's kind of like, oh man. You know, like you're disappointed because, Tim didn't save you like the last slice of pizza. As usual, Tim.
What pizza?
It's my last piece.
It's mine! All mine!
Then you've got the more quicker version, like Afaa. That's more of like a no way, but you're still disappointed. You're like, come on. Oh, that's the sound that I'm gonna talk about later. Little foreshadowing.
You make it sound quite exciting.
Number 2 is bal. This one is used to express shock or excitement, but watch out because this is also like the polar opposite of the phrase Mashallah.
Mashallah, brother.
So when something so surprising happens, just naturally somebody might go bal, and that's kind of like you're going, oh my God. And when you do that, it is also a form of hesed. It's almost as if you're giving someone the eye. So if somebody did something really cool, or actually, let's say they bought a brand new car, they got a brand new Ferrari. What type of Ferrari did you get, Tim?
Testarossa.
He got a Testarossa, apparently. And when he rocks on up, I go, well, that can also be considered kind of rude. You're giving that person the evil eye. What you should be saying is, Mashallah, what God wills. When you say that, it's like you're wishing someone more. But when you say, well, it's almost as if you're giving someone the eye. But it doesn't always mean something negative. Sometimes you'll just say it because of habit. Now, if someone says, but, like a real quick one, that's almost as if like you're going like, oh, or whoa. So you need to understand that depending on the situation, you can use a but now and then. But don't forget mashallah too.
Do not forget.
Mashallah, brother!
Number 3 is Aaah. Now this is a mix between no way and a whoa. 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 When somebody goes ahead and uses that, it's a default sound that people make to express that you don't believe something necessarily. Or actually, I should say you don't believe something 100%. Did you know that Qatar is going to be building 8 amazing stadiums and they're all going to be ready by 2022? You better believe it, son. Number 4 is the tut or the. Now you really shouldn't use this quite often because it's not really polite. It's used to mean no or also to express frustration. I remember when my dad was assembling this toy airplane and he kept on messing up because it were super tiny little pieces, and every time something would fall from his finger, he'd go, and at one point he kept on dropping something over and over and over again, so all I kept hearing was almost like he was beatboxing, like
Boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants.
Relax, dude. We're gonna make it happen, Dad. Let's say also someone goes ahead and offers you something. It's like, hey, Tim finally offers me that last piece of pizza. Hey, Khalifa, you want the last piece of pizza? I'll be like, it's cool, man. You can have it.
More for me.
I love pizza, dude.
Delicious.
Now, number 5 is Hahaay. Now, of course, it sounds like haha, right? That's because it is meant to be a laugh, but a sarcastic laugh. It's meant to mean that you are so unfunny that you would rather laugh at a brick wall.
Ha! That's so funny I forgot to laugh.
Wow, funny.
Hilarious.
Now, there are many ways of saying this word or making this sound. Somebody just might go, Hahaay, just because they want to make it extra obvious that you are not funny, or they might extend a little bit, Hahaay. So you can make that sound if you want to make it a little bit obvious that the guy that keeps on saying jokes probably should stick to his day job.
Not funny.
Don't quit your day job.
You know something? You suck.
Now, these are just some explanations. If you have a better explanation for some of the sounds that I've explained today, let us know in the comment section below. It's all about helping the community.
Spank you, helpy helper done.
Help eat a hop out.
That's why he's my little helper.
Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Q-Tips. If you did, don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to share, and of course don't forget to subscribe. And if you see that bell button over there, just make any weird sound you want and click on it. Ma'as salama.